Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design on Figma. Today we are going to build a quick simple landing page for a simple restaurant. So let's see the quick demo first. This is the landing page that we are going to build in this tutorial. So it's simple and it is a kind of beautiful in my opinion. So today we are going to build this kind of layout and beautiful design. And as you guys can see, this has 4 sections: section 1 and section 2 and section 3 and section 4, and with a nice footer. That's it guys. We are going to build this layout today, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, first of all you need to do is that you gather your material first. For example, any image that you're going to use, gather this first for yourself. As you guys can see, I have already gathered the images, all the materials that I need for this tutorial. I put inside one folder, and then I'm going to use all these images in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and open the Chrome and go to the Figma. Simply type Figma and then click over here. If you don't have any account, please go ahead and create the account. Figma is free, and the good thing about the Figma is that Figma is free. So go ahead and create an account, and then you will see something like this, and then you need to click on this file, new design from scratch. So we are going to build this layout from scratch. So click here. Yeah, this is the ground, this is the battleground, and you know, just play it around from scratch. You know, the first thing that I need to do is to create a frame for my web page. Simply click over here to the rectangle and then drag over here, and then simply can make it grow first, and then as you guys can see, this is grow for now, and then I'm going to change the layout to the frame. The width, I'm going to go for bigger width. I'm going to go for 1600 width. For the height, doesn't matter for now, because the height can be changeable. Okay, so the next thing is that you need to remove this rectangle. This is the rectangle that you simply need to remove. Okay, okay, the next thing that you need to do is that you give a background color to your frame. So simply go ahead and give a background. As you guys can see, this can remove the background, and then this can give the background. So the background is for now from scratch is white, so I'm going to go for 13131. It's a kind of black background. So yeah, your frame is already created. Just simply drag the height and make some changes to the height. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is to give it a layout grid, you know, and then I'm going to change the grid to the column, and then I'm going to change the column into 16 actually, you know. For the color, I'm okay with red, it's visible for now. Okay, and then the next thing that I need to do is to create this navbar, you know. Okay, simply grab the logo and then grab this logo inside your frame. As you guys can see, this logo is very big. I'm going to change the width. I'm going to go for 150 pixel. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, I am okay with 150 pixel. Just adjust it, and then the next thing that I need to do is create the rest of the navbar. The way to do it, just simply click to the text and then grab your text over here and then say home, for example. Okay, as you guys can see, this is very small. I'm going to highlight this one, and I'm going to go for regular, and then it's about maybe 20. Yeah, 20 is okay with me. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is to adjust make it center, and then make it, I'm going to go around 100. Yeah, 100 is okay for me. So the width, the height is the The width is 100, the height is 50 pixel. Okay, let's, no, not 15. The weight, the height should be 37, 37, 37. 37.98 to make it, yes. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is just Control C, Control V to duplicate your size, your number, and then again Control C, Control V, and then again Control C, Control V. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is that change that text to about. The text to menu. The last one will be contact us. Contact. Okay, so that's it. By the way, guys, I need to change the font family. The way to do so, just go ahead, find your favorite font family. I'm going to go for Poppins. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is to make this navbar, your menu, as a group. Okay. Just simply grab and then Control G, make it a group, and simply drag it to the right side of your web page. Okay. To this one. And the next thing that you need to do is just the next thing that you need to do is to make sure that you stay. Yep. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is just make it a group again. Make your navbar as a group. Control G. It's as simple as that. Why I do that? Because it's simple to navigate around, to move it around, to position it wherever I need to position. That's it. Okay, don't worry about that. The next thing that I'm going to do is just simply create this section. Okay, the way to do so, I'm going to create another rectangle, and then for the height, for the width, I'm going to go for 14 or 1438 or 1438, and then make it group. And then the next thing that I need to do is to make it a frame. Actually, for the height, it will be around 638, 681. Okay. For now, to make it visible, I'm going to give a stroke, so to make it clear. Okay. This is the frame that I already created. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is to grab the image. For the image, I'm going to grab it inside my frame and then simply make it as big as I want. I am okay with that. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is to create a paragraph. The way to do so, just simply grab and drag it over here. Alphaza, new menu. As you guys can see, this is my heading. Okay, it's just I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to change the text size to 14, and then simply regular to bold, and then I'm going to give a width of around maybe 563, 563. And then I'm going to change the alignment to the right. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is to give a line around maybe this much. For now I'm going to change the size to 3 pixel, and then I'm going to, for now it's okay. For the color it's okay, but for the weight I think it will be around 50 pixel. Yeah, okay. Just Control C and Control V to duplicate line 2. It's already created. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is to just simply grab a text, October, highlight your text, and then simply change the size. The size will be around 24 maybe. Yeah, 24. I'm okay with 24, and then give the same width. It's okay for the width. In Figma it's okay. Later you can change it. So the next thing that I need to do is to give it a very nice paragraph. For your paragraph, you just go to lorem ipsum and then simply grab a lorem ipsum text. This much is okay for me. Copy and simply paste it. Wow, it's too big, so I'm going to highlight and then simply change the size to 16 pixel, and then from bold to regular. Where is regular? Okay, regular here. Maybe 14 is enough for me. Yeah, okay. The next thing that I need to do is to create a I'm going to get the same height, the same width, sorry. The next thing that I need to do is to simply create a button. The way to do so, just go ahead and click over here to make it rectangle, and then simply drag it over here. And then the next thing that you need to do is, I think it's very big. Okay, yeah, for the width I'm going to go for 221 maybe. Yes. Okay, for the height I'm going to go for 15 pixel. Okay, and then for the border radius I'm going to go for 7. I'm okay with this button, and then the next thing that I need to do is to simply grab a text, more info, just change the alignment to the center. That's it. And then you need to make your button as a group. Control G. The next step that you need to do is to make a group your whole section, this section, and then Control G. And then you need to give it very auto layout. Give it a very auto layout, and then the spacing between items will be 20 pixel. I'm okay with 20 pixel. Okay, and then simply make it center. Now your section is ready. The next thing that you need to do is just grab your frame from here to here, and then zoom in. As you guys can see, the first thing that you need to do is actually to make it center. I'm going to move it a bit higher. Okay, I'm okay with this. And then the next thing that I need to do is simply grab and then change the size, the color of your text to maybe white. Yeah. Then for the button, you need to select separately and then make it black. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is just simply go to frame, click your frame, and then remove the column auto, the layout column. Voila, your section looks nice now. Okay. the next thing that you need to do is just go ahead and grab and click your frame and then give it a height. Just duplicate this one, Control C, Control V. Grab it over there, and then the next thing that you need to do is like you need to give a background for this section. The way to do so, just simply go to your asset and then grab an image and then give it a very nice height and width for this. My 1438. Okay, 1438, 1438. For the height will be the same, 681, 681, 681. As simple as that. But for width I'm going to adjust. Okay, no problem. So simply grab and then make it okay. And the next thing that you need to do is to move it send to back. That's it. As simple as that. Click your frame and then grab it over there. Okay. The next thing that I need to do is just simply Control C, Control V to duplicate this one. Okay. For now it doesn't matter. Okay. The next thing that I need to do is just simply change the image. I'm going to go for this image. Drag your image and drop it over here. Okay. Just simply click over here and then click your image and then move it to the left. That's it, guys. As simple as this. I'm going for this one. Okay. The next image will be as well like this, and just simply change the image. Go ahead and drag your image and drop it over here. That's it. And give it a height again, and then simply Control C, Control V to duplicate, and then change your image again. Change the image. For the image I'm going to go for this one right now. Okay. That's it. The next thing that I need to do is the next step is like I'm going to give a footer for this one. For this I'm going to give a very nice paragraph. For the paragraph it will be around all copyright reserved, and then give it a nice, and then give it say like made with love. I'm going to use the keyboard, and then I'm going to use just this emoji, Made with Love by Mahdi Hassani. That's it. This is for my footer. Okay, and then the next thing that I need to do is just grab the social media, all the social media. This is a Facebook social media icons. Just simply grab it and drop it over here. Okay, I'm going to go for change the size of this social media. It is too big. I'm going to go for around maybe 120 pixel, then 120 pixel for height. It's too big. I guess I'm going to go for 100. 100. Okay, next 100 and 100. Again 100 and 100. Next is like 100, 100, and then 100. Just simply do that and then make them a group. Control G and then make it auto layout. Auto layout is like this, and then give a very 20 pixel space between. 20 pixel is too much. I'm going to go for maybe 40 pixel. Okay, 40 pixel is okay with me. The next thing that I need to do is just simply change the color to the white, and then grab your social media to this section. As simple as that. I think it's too big for me as well. I need to change the size around maybe 80 pixel. Around 80 pixel. 80 pixel. Around 80 pixel. Every 80 pixel. Around 80 pixel, and then 80 pixel of height. That's it. Just simply make it center. Okay, I think it is too big. I'm not sure. Okay, just grab it and then reduce your height. The next thing that you need to do is give your frame auto layout. Okay, center, and then space between items around will be 20, not 20, I think 60 pixels. Okay, yeah, that's it guys. For social media icons, I think it's too big. I'm gonna go for 50 pixel. Around will be 50 pixel. Around will be 50 pixel. It will be 50 pixel as well. For this one as well, I'm going to change 50 pixel. 50 pixel. That's it. For Instagram, 50 pixel, and then 50 pixel. That's it guys. One thing that I forgot guys, that I need to change the background image for this section, for the background. Yeah, I'm going to change with this one. Okay, the next background as well, this one as well, I'm going to change with this one, to make it the opposite. The center is like this one, and then this two section is different from the center. Okay, so that's it, guys. I think it's built already. So in prototype, you need to change the device and make it custom size, because the custom size that we built for this layout is like 1600. For the height, it doesn't matter. For the height, I'm going to go for 120. Okay, and then just see how it looks. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it, guys. This is nice and beautiful, and I'm quite happy with this. Okay, guys, I think that's it. If you learn something new from this video, please go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you want to learn how to build this website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and maybe a little bit of JavaScript, I will put another link in the description of this video, and go ahead and watch that. And I hope you will learn something new from that video as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye for now.